Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to speed up Telegram download speed. To fix this low download speed on Telegram, you need to clear the app cache. You also need to increase your data usage on the app to allow larger and faster downloads. If you're using mobile data, connect to Wi-Fi instead. Lastly, if you connect to a VPN, disconnect from it. Method 1. Clear Telegram's cache. Open the Telegram app. Tap on the settings on the bottom navigation bar. Select Data and Storage. Then tap on Storage Usage. Now, select Clear Entire Cache. Method 2. Increase your data usage. Open the Telegram app. Tap on Settings on the bottom navigation bar. Select Using Cellular and set it to high. Tap on the back icon and select Using Wi-Fi and set it to high. The download speed on Telegram is so slow because you're using mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Slow download speeds can also be caused by large cache sizes. If you've limited your data usage on the app, your download speed will be decreased. Lastly, the file that you're trying to download might be too big. This issue can be frustrating, especially if you're trying to access important documents or photo quickly. So, in this video, you will learn how to fix the slow download speed on Telegram. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next videos.